Hi, I'm Cynthia Rowley. You're watching LifeMinute TV. We just had like an amazing Fashion Week show with 8 female comedians. Nikki Glaser, Rachel Feinstein, Michelle Buteau. So really fun and exciting. I mean, I wear these pants like, not these, but like this kind. I wear pants all the time because I ride a bike everywhere. I didn't ride tonight. I usually like to go surf somewhere. Yeah, I mean, that's really like my passion. I try to get away for like a few days, get in the water, paddle out. Well, Kit Keenan, you know, my daughter, she's in the fashion world, but she's not a designer. And then my other daughter's in high school. It can't not be from personal. And, you know, I take in a lot of art and culture and travel and adventure. And so it goes through the filter and then some crazy comes out sometimes.